She did not want to go. Hold her until it's built. Otherwise her feet are going to freeze.
I'm not wearing thermals under this.
Good job. Hurry up, Connor.
No, sorry.
Poor Asia. I can't believe she has to go out in this. I wish she would go in the litter box like the cats. There you go. There's actually grass underneath. All right, just stick her down there and see if she'll go. Asia, potty potty. Potty potty. Connor, stop.
I'm just making it so that she can go.
She's figuring it out. Potty potty. She's a smart girl. She's gonna do it. Connor, stop moving. She needs you to stop. She's gonna go. Good girl. There she goes. Good girl. Good girl, Asia. Good girl, Lupita.
Oh!
Connor, come on. Asia. Come on. I swear Asia used to be black. Asia. Come on. Oh my god, she's so cold. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my god. So, yay, Asia.